No, 무슨 뜻이야? Bye.
Chacha.
Hi. See?
Good boy. Good boy.
Say goodbye to early morning wake-up calls, guessing if your pet has been fed, and the daily chore of pet feedings. Your routine is a little different than his, and that's okay. Introducing the Pet-Safe Healthy Pet Simply Feed, a convenient, stress-free way to feed the one you love and simplify your life. An innovative conveyor dispenses most dry and semi-moist foods for best portion control and accuracy. With its sleek style and advanced features, the Healthy Pet Simply Feed keeps both you and your pet in mind. The stainless steel bowl is hygienic for your pet and removable for cleaning. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup quick and easy, giving you more time to spend with your pet. The Healthy Pet Simply Feed gives you peace of mind your pet is fed wherever you are. Give your pet the portioned feedings they need and the consistent routine they crave, resulting in a healthier, happier pet. Pet Safe. Protect, teach, love.
When you can't be with the one you love, PetCube Bites can. Just fill up with your best friend's favorite treats, so when you leave, playtime begins. With built-in two-way speaker and microphone, you can talk to and hear your pet. Or practice that fancy new trick you've been working on. And when they ace it, fling a treat. Now that's a good boy. And when they're not so good, PetCube is there too. Sound and motion alerts let you know there's trouble. So with more PetCube cameras, you can follow your pet from room to room. Turn silly moments into shared moments and instantly share your best clips to friends and family. Because some things are too cute to keep to ourselves. They're there for us, waiting. Be there for them too. With scheduled treat times, they'll know that the one they love is just around the corner. And you'll know they're taken care of. Until you can be with your pet again, we'll be here, helping make homecomings even sweeter, and sharing love from afar. PetCube, designed for happy reunions. Designed for pet parents.
Goodness.